Okay. Right. Next one is part D. Explain the effect on the account equation if the transaction on the 12th June had not been recorded. So, as a transaction on the 12th, cash sale of 132, including GST. Right? If it was not recorded. Okay? Had not been recorded. Okay, so we have to explain it. Right? So, how many marks would you get for this one? 3 marks, yes, for the counting elements. For correct identification of accounting elements, you'll get 3 marks. So then we'll write it. So you want to discuss? Anyone wants to try?
Yeah.
Yes, what will happen?
Bank is overstated.
Bank is overstated. Sure.
Understated.
Understated by how much?
By 132.
Yes.
Sales is understated.
Sales is, yeah. So let's finish one accounting element, which is asset.
Okay, yeah. So bank is understated by 132.
Yes.
And then inventory
Would be
overstated by 80.
80. Yes. As a result, overall assets
is understated by 52.
52.
Yeah. And then GST clearing will be understated
understated by
12.
12. Yes.
And then sales.
Which accounting element is it affected? Is the GST affected?
Liabilities.
Yes, liabilities will be
understated by
12. Yes.
And sales will be understated by 80. And then cost.
No, not 80.
120. Cost of sales will be understated by 80.
Yeah.
And then that will understate. No.
Yes.
Overstate.
Understate what?
That would overstate inventory.
No, not inventory. Inventory we are done. Remember we said that assets bank, yeah. Bank understated by 132 and inventory is overstated by 80.
So net profit will be understated by 40.
40, yes.
And then owner's equity will be understated by 40.
40. Yeah, now we can check if the accounting equation tallies. Why? Because we said assets will be, what will happen? Understated by 52. Then liabilities understated by 12. And owner's equity
Understated by
40. So then done. Okay, so with that one we have right. Okay, take down like this. Assets understated by 40. As bank be understated by 132, yes, and inventory being understated, sorry, overstated.
Isn't it 52?
Bank?
Assets. Yeah.
Oh no, yeah, 52, yes, yep. Being overstated by 80. First up, liabilities would be understated by 12. 12 as GST. What do we write, guys? GST?
Clear.
Clearing, okay? Clearing be understated by 12. Next one, owner's equity. Would be understated by 40 as sales being understated by 120 and cost of sales being understated.
Overstated?
No, that's also understated. Not overstated. By how much? 80 years. That understates profit or net profit, whichever it is. Shall we write net? Yeah, we'll write net profit. Yes. Net profit by 40. Yeah, this is the standard in VC. Okay.
Alright.
Yeah.
Can you send those solutions through for accounting elements? You know the third one?
Text me. Some people ask me tunes. I didn't see any
Not
text.
the Qs.
Yeah, text me. Yeah, otherwise I forget like which tube number I forget. I'm doing 4 subjects, so I forget which tube it is. Okay. Okay. Good. Yeah, Varun. Yes, Varun wanted. You didn't text me, did you? Yeah. Okay, guys. Part T. Yes. State one error that would cause the trial balance to not balance. Yes. Any errors? Yes, but we haven't done it. Let's do it now. Okay. Now, guys, I think I should have told you. I can't remember exactly. Right. Now, trial balance. So when your trial balance balances, does that mean everything is perfect? Yeah. What do we do with the trial balance? What's the functionality of the trial balance?
To see all like the ledgers.
Ledgers, yes.
Like
Our
debit and credit.
debit and credit is equal to, the debits are equal to credits, yes. Right. So remember I told you in the definition also, what did I say? Trial balance basically checks which accuracy. Anybody remembers the definition? No? Not you. In the previous year. Yeah, which accuracy? Arithmetical accuracy, numerical accuracy only. Yes? Why is that? That means when our trial balance is balancing, yeah, we can be happy that we have done the numbers correct. Does that mean like there are no errors whatsoever? No, there can be errors. Actually, guys, still all the errors that we make in accounting, we can subdivide into 2 parts. One set of errors we say errors that are revealed by the trial balance. Errors that are revealed. That means the trial balance will say that there are some issues, right? So how do we know that how would we know that there are issues with the trial balance? When the trial balance doesn't balance. Very good. Doesn't balance means something wrong somewhere. Or maybe like many errors, few errors, right? However, we do them theoretically, but practically we don't do this one in your study design. Okay, that part is not there for some reason. I don't know why they didn't include. You have to ask the exam. Okay, in my VC I did it. It's very interesting, and also this one, these errors actually really interesting. You know the reason that helped me to basically realize the double entry system perfectly. Earlier I had some doubts. This one debit, that is credit, but this one really helped me to learn the double entry system perfectly. Right? Okay, the other set of errors, guys, what is it? They are not revealed by the trial balance, right? So you can see them, right? We call them errors of omission. Omission means we have completely ignored, missed out. So still our trial balance balances?
Yeah.
Yes. Why? Because if we had done the other things correct, still our trial balance. So that means our trial balance cannot trace that error, right? Then there's another one called errors of commission. Not like the commissions paid, not the commission money. Like we have done, we have swapped the ledger accounts. So instead of debiting, let's say we paid wages, but we have recorded in the electricity. Still the trial balance balances?
Yeah.
Yes. And like that, there are errors, okay? Errors of transposition. Transposition means actually we have swapped the numbers. Okay, so let's say instead of, for example, 180, we have recorded 108 in both places. Then still, you think the trial balance balances? Yes.
Yeah.
And the interesting thing is, it's a mathematical thing, the difference between those transposition errors, always they are multiples of 9, the difference. Yeah, let's check it. 180 and 108. So what's the difference? 72. Divided by 9. Very interesting. Okay? Yes. Yes, I don't know how it happens. They ask to you how it happens. I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Yeah, asked up to you. I don't know, about the science of maths. Yes. Alright. Then guys, those errors are not revealed anyway by the trial balance. Okay? So these are the ones we are doing in our study design. Practically, questions. Not, we'll do one. I think I have included only one transaction. Was there in the question number 3? Was there an error or something? I can't remember. So however, we'll take it. Yeah, and we are doing it in details. There is one lesson called correction of errors, right? Correction of errors in chapter number 7 in the textbook, right? So in Cambridge textbook, we are doing it. Questions, errors not revealed by the trial. Okay, that means we are going to correct them. Right? When somebody has mock it up, we are going to correct it. Okay? Right. Shall we write the note? Okay, first one guys, errors revealed by the trial balance. Right. Please write. 2 entries have been recorded on the same side. Same side of the general ledger. For example, 2 debits or 2 credits instead of 1 debit and 1 credit. Make sense? Next one. Only 1 entry has been recorded. For example, 1 debit entry, 1 debit entry without a corresponding credit entry, and vice versa. Right? Next one. different amounts have been recorded on each side. For example, 450 on the debit side, but 4500 on the credit side. Right? Okay. Right. Next one, guys. Errors not revealed by the trial balance. Right. So as I told you, these things we just do theoretically. First part. So you will get questions, theoretical questions in the exam for this one. Errors revealed by the trial balance. And then as we were doing in question number 1, right, errors not revealed by the trial balance, right, these are the ones. Okay, transaction has been omitted altogether, right. Number 2, the debit and credit entries have been reversed. We call errors of reversal. Right? We have reversed. Yeah? So still our trial balance balances?
Yeah.
Yes, of course. Right. Third one. The transaction has been recorded in the wrong ledger accounts. This is what I call errors of commission. Right? Last one, an incorrect amount is recorded on both sides. The amount is incorrect, but however it has been recorded on both sides. So that, does it balance?
Yes.
Still balance. Because trial balance doesn't know if the amount is correct. Trial balance will balance the debit and credit, yes? Yeah. So we have recorded incorrectly. Okay, guys. Then, now you can answer the part F. Right? State one error that would cause the trial balance to not balance. Yes? What do you want to say? Yeah, you can say anything. Trial balance to not balance.
Balances have been recorded on the same side.
Sorry?
2 balances have been recorded on the same
Two
side.
balances, two entries. 2 entries have been recorded on the
Same side.
same side, which is like 2 debits. Yes? Good. So you can write basically any of the 3. So I gave
Give
you.
an example.
Sorry?
You have to give an example.
You have to give an example. If it is 1 mark, no, not really. If it is 2 marks, yeah, you can give an example. So I'll give you the 2 entries have been recorded on same side. Yeah, so you can write any of them. Then otherwise you can say only 1 entry has been, only the debit entry has been recorded, not the credit entry, and then different amounts have been recorded. Then guys, we are done with question number 1. Question number 2. Yeah. Anyone wants me to do the trial balance? Because there are some of you that didn't do trial balance. You want me to do the trial balance? Yes? Yep. And then, we have theory questions as well. Tell me the bank balance, guys. 70? 77? Debit or credit? Next one. How much?
48,510.
48,510. Next one. Accounts receivable. 8,640. Right. Then next one. Premises. How much?
190,000.
190,000. Right. Next one.
Office equipment.
How much?
10,900.
10,930.
No, it's 900.
10,900.
Yeah.
Next.
GST clearing.
Yep.
330.
330. Debit, credit. Yep.
Sales.
Sales.
Credit.
How much?
13,780.
13,780. Right. Next one.
Mortgage. JH Finance. 84,500 credit.
Yep.
Accounts payable.
Yep.
10,900. Capital. It's credit. 163,600.
163,000.
600.
600. 163,600.
Cost of sales.
Cost of sales. Yep.
6,809. Debit.
6,890.
Electricity. 450. Debit.
450.
Wages.
Yep.
1,000. Debit.
1,000.
Interest expense. 200. Debit.
200. Yep.
Yeah.
Drawings.
Yeah, go to
Okay. Drawings.
600.
600.
Debit. Prepaid advertising.
Prepaid advertising. All right. Prepaid advertising. Yep.
6,000. Debit.
Is that all?
Yeah, that's
Okay. What's the total?
273,190.
273,190.
Yeah.
273,190 is the total. Yep. Okay, thank you guys. And then income statement and balance sheet you had to do. Those who haven't done, please do it. Okay. Right. I'll help you with the theory questions, guys. Right. Part E. Referring to one assumption, explain why transaction on the 14th is not considered to be revenue for July. Received cash from Workers World for goods sold in June. Yes. This one now we can explain from the which assumption?
Accrual basis.
This one accrual basis we can explain, right? Okay. Because earlier they had asked with the definition of the accounting element, which is revenue, and this one we can talk about the accrual basis. Right. So assumption is receipt accrual basis. Right. Don't just write accrual or don't write just basis. It's accrual basis. Okay. Right. So we can say accrual basis. Account receivable, what's his name? Workers. Account receivable. Increases bank. Right. Okay. Now part F. This is what you asked me a question, yes? How to okay. Right. Part F, guys. Right. State the effect on the account equation of turning points if the transaction on 19 July was not recorded. So what has happened on the 19th July? Made monthly payment on mortgage, including 200 interest. So how much has been paid on the mortgage? 700. Yes.
Yeah.
Then from 700,
Wait,
it includes
the mortgage. 500 for the mortgage.
500 for the mortgage and 200 for the interest. So then it is subdividing into two parts. Yes. So 500 you record in the mortgage. So if you are doing the double entry, what's the double entry?
Bank.
Bank credit. How much?
500.
500.
And then mortgage.
Bank will be 700. Correct. Bank is credited 700. Right? Because why? This is one transaction. Bank is credited 700. Yes. Then where do you debit? Mortgage
And interest.
interest. Mortgage how much? 500. Interest is debited 200. Good. So this is mortgage and this one interest. Right? Okay guys. Then they're asking the effect on the accounting equation. Okay, now we can write. Now this is exactly what you have to do it in VC. Okay, I mean including your SACs. Right, assets. Now we can write, right, if there are two assets, we don't know, sometimes when we start the I think I have done this one in unit 2 as well. Yes.
Yeah.
So you leave some space to write increase or decrease, right? So that's what you can do, right? Increase or decrease, we leave space and we start bracket. But this one is pretty simple. Why? Because we have only one asset is affected, no problem, right? So then you can say here what happens to the accounting equation. Yes, right. So accounting equation, and they have said overstated, understated, or no effect, right? Then what will happen if we didn't? So it sounds like if the transaction was not recorded, right? Then what will happen? Bank overstated, right? Now if it is only one item, guys, you don't have to worry about the amount. But if there were two amounts affected, then you have to write the amount for the respective item, right? Let's say bank and inventory, like we did previous question. Then you have to write bank is overstated by how much? 132, and inventory 80, like that. But this one you don't have to worry about the amount, because why? Only one item. Anyway, how much is the amount? 700. So why don't we write the bank amount? Because we are anyway writing 700, because one item has affected. So we can say overstated, right? 700 if it was not recorded. Then liabilities, how many items? One. Which item is it? Mortgage. Yes, mortgage. Mortgage. Overstated. Yes. How much? 500. Right? And then next one. What happens to the owner's equity, guys? Overstated. Yes, overstated. So then why is that? Interest expense is understated. That overstates what? Net profit. Yeah, this is exactly, you have to write it, guys. How much? 200.
Our teacher, right?
Yeah.
She says like there are gonna be like no more tables in study design.
What do you mean by normal tables?
But there's not going to be like a table format. It's only going to be an explanation.
Oh, yes. Yeah, remember like we explained that one?
Huh?
That both questions are coming. Remember in the previous one?
Yeah.
What did we do? We just explained. This one, table. So the examiner can ask both.
Our teacher said like they can only ask the writing one, not the table one.
No. Table is also coming. Table is coming. We can't say exactly, what is coming.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why we are, doing both the formats. So explanation and also the table.
Yeah.
Both. Right. Okay, then part I guess. Referring to one characteristic, explain why the advertising must be reported in the balance sheet as at 31st July 25. Okay, one characteristic. What is the characteristic?
Relevance.
Relevance. Why is it relevance, Pranav?
Because like because it's like it makes a difference in the decision making
Yep.
of the owner.
Yep.
And but by knowing that or recording prepaid advertising, the owner will know how long they can use the premises, like how many payments they make use the premises.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Prepaid advertising.
Yeah, this is prepaid advertising, correct.
Use of advertising. Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, what we are reporting here in the balance sheet is, what is it? Prepaid advertising, which is a current asset. So expense has been prepaid, that will provide future economic benefits in the next 12 months, right? So reporting this one will make sure that all the information that is useful for decision making is included, so that the owner or whoever makes the decision about the advertising can see that the advertising has been prepaid, so then they don't have to worry about advertising. Yes. So then,
What is the future economic benefit?
yeah, what's the future economic benefit? Very good. What's the future economic benefit?
It's like sport.
Sorry.
Advertising.
Yes, basically the service advertising. Basically, what is it? Advertising service. Propaganda. Yes. What is it? Yeah. Yeah. Advertising service. Okay. So we'll write it, guys. Balance sheet. Sorry. This one is not the. This one we have read the relevance. Okay. Yeah. Relevance. So this is the exactly format of the VCE. That's how they ask. They ask whatever the item it is, characteristic, assumption. Balance sheet as at 31st. Okay.
Wait, so, wait, you know for prepaid advertising, yeah?
Yep.
So it's gonna start on August 25th, yeah? So till then,
August 25th, yes.
yeah.
So we are reporting this one as of 31st July.
Yeah. So August 25th. So till then, it's obviously a current asset, yeah. But as soon as like it's like August 26th, yeah, and then like what's the effect? What would be like the effect on the accounting equation? Like how would it like everything like transport? Because
How would, I didn't get to the last part. How would everything?
like how would that impact the accounting equation? Because it wouldn't remain as an asset, yeah. Would it not like become an expense at the end of the payment?
Yeah, at the end of the payment. So payment was made when? August.
No, it starts August 31st transaction.
31st, yes. Yep. Yep. Which will begin in August 25. Yes.
So it'll go till like February 25th, right?
February 26th.
Yeah, 26th. And then what is like the accounting equation?
No, not February. I think January, yes. Yeah, whatever.
Yeah. So the effect on the accounting equation when the thing is finished. Then it won't be an asset, right?
No.
Then
So basically, let's say, assuming that, so this for 6 months advertising, let's say it is 6,000.
Yeah.
That means every month it is 1,000.
Yeah.
So when we prepare the balance sheet for next month, how much would be the yes, the prepaid advertising will be?
It's like
5,000.
depreciation that we take.
Yeah, we are doing them at the beginning of Unit 4. We are going to account for them.
And then it would be like an increase in expense.
Yes, increase in expense and
Decrease in
decrease in asset. And you can tell in double entry.
bank, debit, no credit. Like prepaid advertising credit. Yeah. And then advertising expense.
Yes, correct.
Is there no new theory for this one?
New theory? No. It's the same. No, for this one, no theory. No theory. Only a workout. Right? Then, guys, hold on. Right. So I want to introduce you the source documents. However, we have done the source documents, right? But not all of them, guys. Just a few of them. Wait.
Chapter 17. Wait, are we going in the order we start? Is this that kind?
Okay. What is this source document? Yes. Tax invoice.
Wait.
Cash receipt.
Yeah, cash receipt.
Cash receipt. Any other?
No, like we can't tell.
We can't tell.
Yeah, because like what if we don't know which way a bit like what where and like Like which
Yes.
business we're looking at.
Sorry, business?
What business we're looking at. That's just the bottom.
But what business were?
Huh?
What business?
Like what? Like yeah,
Yes. What business?
we're looking at.
We are looking at. Yes,
As
good point.
something
That's good.
At the bottom.
Bottom, yes. Okay. Any other comments? So that means you guys are thinking different. That's what I want also. Right? You don't have to think always the same thing, yes? Yeah. Anything else? Some people say cash receipt. Some people say we can't say because we don't know what business we are considering or what business we are doing accounts for. Swaran, what do you think?
Cash receipt.
Cash receipt.
I think it's a cash receipt.
Cash receipt. Actually, yeah, there is a small problem. What is a source document? Is it cash receipt?
It's a receipt.
Just receipt. You don't have to say cash receipt. Just receipt. Okay? Receipt. Okay? And then I heard somebody say tax invoice. Okay, is it a tax invoice? Yeah, it says tax invoice, yes? Yeah, and also however, this is receipt. See? Nobody saw this one? Anybody saw this one? Yes. Yeah, you said like balance owing is nil. That's why you said receipt, yes? Yes. So this one you didn't see? You have to read properly. Okay? Okay, what do you mean by tax invoice? You are not there when we discuss it, right? Yeah. In unit 1 I have explained them. What is tax invoice, guys? So those who were there by that time?
Any source document that includes GST.
Any source document that includes GST is a tax invoice. So that in the exam, when they ask you what source document this is, don't say tax invoice. Okay, don't say tax invoice. Why it is wrong? Why? Because it can be any source document. So receipts will have GST. What are the other source documents that will have GST?
Credit purchase.
Credit purchase, which means what's the source documents? Starts with I.
Invoice.
Yes?
Purchase
Yeah, invoice. Yes? Invoice. Then what else?
Sales.
Yeah, invoice, when we say invoice,
Yeah.
depending on the party to which,
Yeah.
to the transaction, it can be either sales, purchase, whatever, doesn't matter. We don't have like something called sales invoice or purchase invoice, we have only one invoice.
Oh.
Yes? Depending on the party, it will be either purchase or sales. Now, what is the other source document? There's only one.
EFT payment.
EFT also can have, yes.
Statement of account.
No.
Bank statement.
Bank
Oh, no.
statement.
No.
They actually have, so those ones, statement of account and also what is it, bank statement, they are the summaries of transactions, right? Not really, so it can be treated as a source document, not necessarily. Okay, what else? Which note?
Credit.
Credit note. Credit note also will have GST. So all those ones will have the term tax. Why? Because we have GST. Okay, when you have GST, yes. Together with GST, you will come across this term, tax invoice. Okay, right. Okay, what you said, JD. So this one you said we don't know what the business is. Okay, let's say if we are doing it for snap photography, what is it? That's a receipt. Why? So they have received the money. So Snap has received the money. Otherwise, if we were the customer sold to G-Love, so then that also a receipt. Why? Because they have paid the money and received the receipt. Yes? Yeah?
Wait,
But
this
if you, yeah, same transaction. So for this business,
Yeah.
what will happen? So this is also, it's a confirmation of paying money.
Oh,
Yeah?
Yeah.
This for them, it's for the customer confirmation of the payment of money. It's like we have gone and paid by the debit card or credit card, then we are receiving EFT, yes, EFT receipt, or we can say credit card receipt.
so they'll have so Snaps will issue a receipt,
Yeah.
but then G-Love will need like a EFT payment to like verify the fact that they on their journals, right? They have to record that
as a payment, and they need a source document to verify it, right?
Yes.
They can't just put this receipt.
Yeah, I mean, this one, if they received EFT, yes, fine. But let's say if they didn't receive a EFT, I mean, if the EFT was not there or if the EFT was not generated, yeah, then they can treat this one as a payment of, payment confirmation. Yes? Okay. Yeah, however, they will tell us what the business we are doing the accounts for, so we don't have to really worry. Right. So this one, what do you think about this? Yes. Check. No, this is not a check. If it is a check, Varun, what should it have? On the top it will have the bank's name. And also, now you don't have checks, you don't have to worry about the checks. Why? It's basically outdated. It's gone out of your study center.
Is it a memo?
No.
It's a receipt again.
It's a receipt again. Why? See? Received, receipt number given 001 and also received from Bull, and then the letterhead is given.
Wait, it said capital contribution there.
Yes. Capital contribution. Doesn't matter. Business has received the money, yes? So then the accountant or cashier will
Wait, so
basically issue a receipt.
Your internal transactions are like handled by a memo.
Yeah, but this one is not a memo, because if it was a memo, then we have to have the memo number. But this one, see, receipt.
wait, so Debo is like the owner.
Yes, on has
Yes.
contributed cash. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Separate.
This one. Yeah, what is this source document?
Bank statement.
Bank statement? Yeah, everyone please look at it. Right? What is this source document? Yeah, now these source documents are coming to exam, okay? That's why I'm explaining you. They will give you, because we are doing questions as well. See, there are 3 source documents. Okay, and I think there was another one. Oh no, that's it. That's all I have included.
Bonds.
Yeah. Okay, what is this one, guys? This is fund transfer report, and from a bank. Bank has issued it. Yes, if a bank has issued it, what is it?
Loan.
Sorry?
Loan.
Loan? Yeah, loan is a transaction, but we are talking about the source document. What source document is it? Yeah, even for a loan, yeah, they can issue it. Correct. Yeah.
Banks is only the end.
Yes.
Oh, it could be. Oh no.
Could be, yes.
It could be EFT.
Yes, it is an EFT. Okay. What is the EFT? What's the other one, guys? It starts with EFT. POS. What is FPOS?
Point of sale.
Electronic fund transfer at the point of sale. Meaning, what is that? What is the difference between this one and that one?
That one, it's like a credit card.
Very good. Credit card or debit card, right? Now the textbook says credit card receipt. I don't really agree with that, because why? We can pay by the debit card as well. They have to tell us debit card receipt, but commonly we call what do we call this? FPOS receipt. Okay, but in the textbook they are saying credit card receipt. So then, what's the difference between the credit card receipt, FPOS receipt, and with this one? So as he said, we have to FPOS. We are making the payment by the credit card. Right, and also there should be an FPOS machine, right? So other than that, we can't do a transaction. We can't run a payment. But this one, we can do it. We can basically jump online and make the payment. That is EFT. That's not an FPOS. That's the difference. So then, when we use the banking app, or we go online and make a payment, then that is where we receive an EFT, right? And then on the other hand, we will have FPOS, or the credit card receipt. Right?
So if you like purchase like PayPal or something,
Yes.
then you get it.
Yeah, again this one EFT, because PayPal is also EFT. Yes.
Yeah.
Yep. Then I'll show you FPOS receipt as well. I don't know. I don't think it is in this textbook. This is also. Yeah, this is okay. They have given. Okay, this is a. What is this one? This is a.
See,
Which receipt?
Credit.
Ah.
okay. F1 receipt.
This is an FPOS receipt. How do we know? They have given us the account number. Usually it has 16 digits. Every debit or credit card usually have 16 digits. And then it will say credit. If this is credit, means credit card. If it is debit, DR, that's a debit card. Doctor. No, doctor. Debit, okay? In accounting, DR is not doctor. Right. So this is a credit card receipt. How do we know it's a credit card receipt, guys? One thing is they will give us the account. And then they'll tell us credit or debit. Right? And also, see, it's not issued by a bank. It's issued by a, what is it? The business. Yes? Business. So, let's say we go to a supermarket, we go to Coles and we make a payment by debit or credit card. Then, how do they issue us the receipt? Saying the bank name or the business name? Business name. But sometimes this one, the heading will come from the bank name as well. Sometimes, some FPOS receipts. Yeah.
So any source of with the account numbers.
Yes. No, not anything. Sometimes ATM dockets also will have. ATM dockets also will have. What is it? Account number.
So the withdrawals.
Yes, withdrawal.
Wait, so
Yeah.
you know how every transaction is
Yes.
verified by a source document here?
Yes.
So like like GST settlement here.
Yeah.
Is that like a document from like the idiot?
Oh. Yep. So when we pay by the bank account, bank will generate us an EFT receipt.
So the bank issues it.
Yeah, bank will issue it. Now this one, what is this one?
ATM.
ATM. How do we know?
ATM ID.
ATM ID is here. Okay, ATM ID is here. And also see the account number is here. Okay.
And credit card.
Okay. Basically that's it. We'll do. What is this one?
EFT payment.
EFT?
Receipt.
Or receipt.
Receipt? Which one? EFT or receipt? Receipt.
Seller is
This is EFT, the not paid.
It says EFT, yes? Okay, interesting. Very good.
Seller in this case is TLX. And this is receipt.
No, it's a receipt.
It's a receipt. Okay. It's a receipt, EFT. Which one?
Receipt.
It's EFT.
Receipt. What is it?
Receipt.
EFT receipt.
EFT receipt. Okay, EFT. Receipt.
Yeah.
What? EFT. Receipt. Yes. Whoever that said receipt, is
Correct.
correct. Correct. Why? Asi? Listen now. Okay, what did I say for the EFT? Okay, still you haven't got the point. What did I say for the EFT? If it was an EFT, it has been issued by whom? Bank. There should be a bank's name. What's the bank name?
It's all
Yes, well, no bank there. Yes.
confused.
Yeah, it confuses. Yeah, exactly. See, amount has been paid by EFT.
Yeah.
That's true. Then for which the business has issued the receipt separately. Make sense?
Wait, so for this transaction, a bank would have also issued
Yes, EFT.
like an EFT.
EFT, yes.
Alright.
Yeah, I don't know if they have given the EFT to us. Is that the one? Yes. No.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one. See? That's it. See? How do you know the what is the first thing? What is that one? First one.
It's EFT.
That's an EFT. How do we know?
Bank.
Bank. Bank is there, account number is there. What is the account number here?
And it
Account
says,
number is there.
and it says EFT, electronic funds transfer.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. I think I need more eyes, yes. Yeah. With 2 eyes I can't see. I need 4 eyes. Okay. Electronic funds transfer. Yeah. 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 Okay. Account number, yeah, basically given. Right. And issued by a bank. Right? Then this one is not an EFT, it's a receipt. Good. I think now what do you think, guys? You need me to show you more
Yeah.
source
Fake
documents? Huh?
ones. Fake ones.
Fake ones?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shipping confirmation.
What is this one?
Banks at the top. Bank names. EFT.
EFT? Anything else?
There's no account number.
Account number is not there?
No, it's there.
Calculator, yes?
It's 2 banks. 2 banks. Yeah. And account number.
Two banks.
Interbank transaction.
2 banks.
EFT.
Yeah, what is this?
Overnight transaction.
Yeah, overnight transaction. No money market. Money market. EFT.
EFT?
Yes.
Yeah. Nasser is EFT?
EFT.
No, it's gonna be something.
Delivery dog.
Sorry?
He said delivery dog, but I don't think it.
No, not sure. You don't want to try? Yeah. Yeah, EFT is correct. Why, see? Bank.
Wait, so what is this transaction?
Sorry?
What is happening in this transaction?
Yeah. This one? Yeah, so this is a capital contribution, yes?
So personal account is bank account, but then you're putting it inside bank account. Into business account. Accounting entities.
This one?
Receipts. Receipt number 16. Receipt.
Receipt, yes? This one?
Receipt.
Receipt.
EFT. Receipt.
ATS.
EFT. Wait, ATM.
Yeah, she has more eyes, yeah, she can see well.
It's all bank.
Yeah. Yeah, what is it? ATM?
ID. Document.
Docket, not ATM ID. Don't write ATM ID. ATM docket, okay. Yeah. What is this one?
Receipt.
Receipt. Now you guys are not tricked. Good. I think that's it. If you want, I have more specimens for source documents. I can show you. Yeah. Okay, then someone talk about delivery docket and what else?
Shipping confirmation.
Yeah, shipping confirmation and then
Order confirmation.
order confirmation. What else?
Never.
There's quotations, order forms. What are those? Are those source documents?
No.
Yeah, they are also source documents. Also, there is one thing called delivery docket, which is also similar to shipping confirmation, right? But we don't we don't enter any double entries. We don't record them in the books. Okay, shipping confirmation, no, we don't record them. Delivery docket, no. Right? However, delivery docket we can cross-check with our invoice because they are saying us. I mean, our supplier says that look, they have sold 10 units, and then we can check in the delivery docket and also physically if we have got the same 10 units. Otherwise, they are delivering us 9 units and they are invoicing for 10 units. No. Okay. Yeah, we can cross check all of this. With the order form also, you can cross check. So we have ordered 5, they are sending us 10. No, we don't need more. Right? Okay. Right. Those things we don't really record in the books. Okay, guys, you want to take a break?
Is it bank statements and memos?
Yeah, memos. Memos, of course, we are recording. We are doing memos in chapter 7. A few tips. Okay.